Dear students, we are going through the chapter tenses and we have already finished simple present tense and present continuous and both the exercises 1 and 3 that are related to that. Now, present perfect tense. The structure of sentences in present perfect tense is has or have plus past participle. Past participle means third form of verb. For example, they have been to New York. She has eaten frog's leg. One thing you have to understand clearly that with I, you and plural subject we use have, and with singular subject he, she, it we use has. You can see here with they we have used have and third form of verb be. With she, has and third form of verb eat, that is eaten. In present perfect tense we always use third form of verb. You can see here in this table there are given third form of some verbs. For example, see, saw, seen. Seen is the third form. Buy, bought, bought. Go, went, gone. Eat, ate, eaten. Now where to use present perfect tense? It is used when something started in the past and is still true now. For example, I have worked at ECC since 2000. It means I have worked there since 2000 and still I am working there. The action started in the past and is still true now. Then Susan has lived in New York for a long time and still she is living there. Present perfect tense is also used for actions in the past when we are not talking or thinking about the exact time that happened. There may be results now. For example, I have flown on a plane before. This action is complete, but we don't know the exact time. Jim has traveled to Paris. Jim traveled to Paris, but we don't know the exact time. Now the most important use, finished action that has an influence on the present. Present perfect tense is used for the action that are finished but it has influence on the present. For example, I have lost my key. I don't have my keys. I have already lost them. One more example, I have already seen that film. I do not want to see it again. You can see the structure of sentence. I, subject, then have, then seen, third form of verb, and we have used already. This is all about present perfect tense. Keep learning.